Rigid flex typically has specific manufacturing requirements to ensure the product can be built and reliably fold and bend. These rules require checking between different objects and shapes on different layers. With OrCAD X, you can set up and check in real time for any flex-based DRC check you need. Here are some examples of the types of checks you can achieve. You can check to make sure a soft gold area is completely inside a coverlay opening. You can make sure your vias stay out of your transition zones. These DRC checks are real-time and will work even if the offending objects aren't visible. Another example, you can check for overlap between a bend zone and a transition area. Setting up these rules is done in the Constraint Manager. You have a matrix of all the geometries, etch layers, or via objects. You can filter by name to reduce the matrix size if needed. To make a rule, check the box at the intersection of the two things you need to specify relationship rules for. Then, specify the type of rule, overlap, gap, etc., the value, and provide your custom DRC text description. OrCAD X helps you design highly reliable rigid flex PCB designs.